Will AI replace customer service jobs?
This is the artificial intelligence is changing customer service. From chatbots to automated phone agents, technology is handling an increasing share of customer interactions. But does this mean AI will fully take over customer service jobs? Let's explore the impact of AI on customer support, what's changing, and what it means for the future workforce.
How AI is transforming customer support.
AI chatbots and virtual assistants answer questions 24/7, handle basic requests, and solve routine problems. This speeds up response times and reduces wait times for customers. AI also helps companies analyze customer data to offer personalized solutions. While these tools improve efficiency, they mostly handle simple, predictable tasks, leaving more complex issues for human agents.
What I can't replace.
Empathy, creativity, and complex problem-solving are still best handled by people. When a customer is frustrated or needs a personalized solution, human agents bring understanding and judgment that AI can't match. Many businesses prefer a mix of AI for efficiency and humans for quality service, ensuring customers feel valued and heard.
Merging roles in customer support.
AI doesn't just reduce jobs, it changes them. New roles are emerging, like chatbot trainers, data analysts, and customer experience designers. Human agents may focus more on specialized support, technical issues, and building relationships with customers. Adapting to these roles often means learning new digital skills and understanding how to work alongside AI tools.
How to prepare for the future.
Staying adaptable is key. Developing communication, emotional intelligence, and digital fluency will help you stay valuable in an evolving industry. Exploring training in customer service technology or data analysis opens new career options. By focusing on the skills AI can't easily replace, you can build a rewarding, future-proof path in customer support.